Hello learners, welcome to Atya Studies. Today I will explain palindrome number. As you know, it is one of the basic program one should understand. So let's understand what is palindrome. Palindrome is nothing but if you read a number or any word from left to right or right to left, it should look same. Okay, so for example, if you take 1 to 1, right? So if you write it, if you read it from left to right, it should pronounce same. Left to right or right to left, it should pronounce same. Okay, so let's understand another example like 1 to 5 to 1. If you read it from right side also, it will pronounce 1 2 5 to 1. Okay, it is not only up to numbers, it will work for strings as well. Let's suppose Nitin, Nitin. Okay, so if you read it from right side as well, it should pronounce same, Nitin. Okay, so we can take 252, etc. Okay, so how can we approach this logic? Let's understand first. So example, I will take one not palindrome number like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I will explain this number. How can we read from, we are the program reads the number from left to right? For to get is it a palindrome or not, we need to read it from right to left. What it means, we need to reverse the number. Okay, so there would be several steps to read a number from right to left as well. So what is the step 1? Okay, first the number should be 1 2 3 4 5, right? So if I do mod of this number, what I'll get, I will get 5 as a reminder. Okay, if I do 1 2 3 4 5 mod by 10, I'll get 5. So why I am doing this? I want the reverse number, so that I should match this reverse number and the given number. If both were same, then it is a palindrome. If both were not same, then it is not a palindrome. Okay, so to get reverse number, first step I need to do mod. Okay, mod by 10, then I'll get result reminder as 5. What is the second step? Step 2, we got remainder 5, right? We need to multiply this 5 with 10. So our result should be 50. What is the third step? Step 3. Given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We need to divide this number by 10. Then what we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, simple. We need to do these steps repeatedly. Okay, so let's understand what we get here. Now we got 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 is removed from the number, we got 1 2 3 4. Let's understand this. Step 1, here 1 2 3 4 mod 10, what we'll get? We'll get remainder as 4. Okay, step 2, here we need to do some changes over step 2. What we'll do, we need to add the previous number, right? 50, we get what we get in previous loop, 50, right? So 50 need to be add to the remainder. Then what we'll get? 54. Okay, this is the extra step. Remaining steps were same. Okay, for the first time we don't add anything. Okay, for the first time the remainder should be 0. If we add 5, okay, here let's see step 2 2. Okay, 5, if I add 5 with 0, then what we'll get? We'll get 5. Okay, let's assume the step like this. Okay, 54, right? What is the step 3 over here? 54 should multiply with 10. Now we get 540. Okay, what is the step 4? The number 1 2 3 4, it should divide it by 10. Then what will get 1 2 3? So we just removed this 1 1 2 3. Okay, one number is removed from the given number. Okay, the second loop is also over. Okay, so now we have a number 1 2 3. Step 1, 1 2 3 mod 10. Here what we'll get, we get 3 as a remainder. What is step 2? What is step 2? Previously 4 is added to previous number. Now what we have, 540, right? So 540 plus 3, what will get? 543. Okay, so step 3, 543 into 10. Then what we get? 5430. And step 4, okay, step 4, we need to divide the number with 10. Now what we'll get? 12 will get. Okay, the loop will continue till we get 0. Okay, I hope you understand the logic over here. We need to loop these 4 steps. Okay, in any loop, then we'll get a reverse of a number. Okay, you just understand over here, the number is getting reverse. 5 4 3. Next we'll get 2, then 1. Then the number should be matched with the given number. Okay, let's get into the program here. In the program, let's understand the problem first. Given an integer x, so integer x is given over here. Return true if x is a palindrome, or else we need to return false. Okay, here a few examples also given. Input x is equal to 1 to 1. Output should be true. Explanation: 1 to 1 reads as a 1 to 1. If you read it from left to right or from right to right, it should give the same pronouns. So the number should be same. And in example 2, let's understand here. In case if you get any minus sign before a number, it should give false. Because if you read from left to right, it reads minus 1 to 1. From right to left, it becomes 1 to 1 minus, right? So that is not, it is not a palindrome. So we need to handle this case as well in the program. So here 10, obviously it is not a palindrome number. So these are the constraints they have given. So let's start writing the program. First we need to handle this case. Okay, if x is less than 0, minus means it is less than 0, right? So x is less than 0, then what we'll do, we just return false. Okay, so what I'm doing here, we need to return boolean, right? So I'll take boolean variable over here. Okay, and I need to get reverse number also, right? So I need to save reverse number also. So I'll take one reverse of x. It should be 0 initially. Okay, and I need to, we are doing so many operations on this x, right? So at the end, what I'll do, I need to match this x with the reverse number, right? So x should be same. If you do several operation on x, x will get changed. The value of x will get changed, right? So I will clone the value of x in one variable int. I'm just copying x value, copy of x. I'm just assigning x to the copy of x. Okay, So I'll take while loop over here. This copy of x, I will do operations on this cloned variable. I won't touch x over here. So the copy of x, okay, so let's copy this variable. The loop should iterate until it is not equal to 0. Okay, so here just simple only one line of code. Here what we need to do, we need to store the reverse number in reverse of x. What I'm just doing here, reverse of x multiplied by 10. Okay, I'm just multiplying this reverse of x and adding it to the mod copy of mod of 10. That's it. Later I need to divide the number also, right? Copy of x is equal to copy of x divided by 10. That's it. Here what we are just doing, we are multiplying with 10. Let's understand here. So what we are doing here, multiplying. Okay, let's understand in second step, then you will get better. So or else you can write like this as well. So copy of x modding, okay, control x, okay, copy of x mod, do mod of the operation, then add it by multiplying with 10. Okay, then divide it by 10. That's it. If reverse of x double is equal to given x, then what should we do? The b should be true. B value should be true. Okay, else b is equal to false. Okay, so just return b at the end of the method. Let's debug the code. See, our test cases were passed. Okay, so just it should be understand, you should understand the logic over here. That's it. Okay, if you have any doubts, please do comment over here, and thanks for watching the video.